My question is this. My husband married me when I was small in my father's house. So, after 1 week, my father had an accident. He died.
At what age did you marry? Did he marry you?
Sir?
At what age did he marry you?
He married me at the age of 18 years.
Okay.
So when he came to pay my dowry, my husband now came with one of his son. He now told my family that he has one son before he want to pay my dowry. So they now want me that I should take my husband's son as my first son. I said okay. So after marriage, I enter my husband's house. So after I deliver 3 children, then one man now carry 4 children to the house. And then my husband is not at home. He went to work because then he was a carpenter. So when he came back in the evening, I said, Daddy, all these people came this morning, but I feed them, but I did not know them. So he now said he will introduce them to me, that I should not be worried. So later now, he now called the brother and those children, that this brother I'm seeing is their last born. And I tell the brother, welcome. Then he now told me that these children, they are his children. I said, Daddy, why did you treat me like this? You did not open up to me. Why? He quiet. I decided to leave the marriage then. And I went to my pastor. I explained. My pastor said, I should bear. I continued to bear with this, my husband. He get it to a stage, not know that the people he brought to come and marry me, they are friends and well-wishers. They are not his family. So by the time he take me to his own place, all his brothers and sisters, they started hating me. I asked my husband, why they are treating me like this? He said, don't mind them. Just look at me. Don't look anybody. I said, okay. So to cut the whole story short, before that time, and I know that my husband have given birth to 7 children before he married me. And during this time now, my husband now said he have a call. He now become a pastor. He now went to school for 4 years. I stay with children. Then by the time those children grows up, all of them, they leave us, remain my children. Now, we now enter the ministry. We work at Itilov villages.
All the story because...
To cut the whole story short, after retirement now, my husband dumped me and my children. And he went to go and marry the 7th wife. It is here and I know that I am the 6th wife, not even the first. So, it is here in Esa land. And I know that my husband, those children, there are 5 women give birth to those children. Then he left me and my children now. He now married to another woman, Esa woman again. And now look at I cry. I carry my children. I did not tell my family. But I called my junior brother. I told him. He said, sister, you know that you know God very well. It's a cross. Hold the cross like that. That is how I'm living with my children today.
Now, the question is...
My question now is that, as I am living like this now, can I make heaven?
Perfect. Now, you will make heaven very well if you live your life. But let me ask also, did you hear that any of those women stayed with him as a wife, known by the society? No. Did they stay with him? Any one of them stay with him by the consent of the parents?
The first wives
stayed with him.
He paid their dowry.
Not paid the first wife. Did he stay in his house?
Yes.
For how long?
I didn't know.
Go and find out. Go and find, because we don't know now whether you're the original wife or not. The others can be prostitutes that he met with. And it is you alone that he took to your father.
He paid their dowry. He lived with them.
We don't find out because...
I know. Because... Okay, sir.
Listen.
Because I am in Esa land now.
If he paid the dowry of the first wife...
Yes.
Then the second wife, whether he paid her dowry, is not his wife. The 3rd wife is not his wife. The 4th wife is not his wife. Even you are not his wife. If he paid the dowry of the first woman, and the first woman stayed with him. But if he did not pay the dowry of the first woman, did he pay that of the second, and the second stayed with him, then the first woman is not his wife. Others are not. Even you are not. Or else, maybe it is the 3rd woman, he paid the dowry and came to stay with him as a wife. Go and find out all this. Let us know whether you are original wife or you are not. Proper investigation has to be made. We just not say he paid dowry. It's not just paying dowry.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.